Before I start the video, I just wanted to show off the Vladimir Obey flag. There are only 2 of these in existence, and the second one is spoken for. Sorry guys, but with that being said, well, yeah, this is pirrip by mgsecure. That's the bing. That's the key. Let's see. I'm gonna try to use the Cobra Instruments 50,000th pry bar, and just a multi-pick standard in 15,000ths. So that was 1. I just touched it and get a little movement on the core. 2. Now here's where I have a problem. 1, 2, 3. Now we'll start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Gotta get 3 moving. Yeah, I got 3 moving. So there's 3. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let me make sure I'm on 3. That's 1. That's 2. Alright. Go back up. So 1, 2. Nothing 2. There we go. Okay, I just had to push 3 up there higher. Once it goes into the falset, the whole thing goes dead. And I think there's like a trench trap in 3 or something, and then you have to just kind of bump it up until it goes. But that is pirrip by mgsecure.